Hey everyone, are you ready to say goodbye to pain and stress naturally? Welcome back to Team Keye Academy, where education meets elevation. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful home remedies for common health issues like pain, anxiety, inflammation, and more, all using ingredients straight from nature. Let's get into it. You've probably used home remedies at some point, such as herbal teas for colds, essential oils for headaches, or plant-based supplements for improved sleep. Home Remedy 1. Turmeric for pain and inflammation. Turmeric has been used primarily in South Asia as a part of Ayurvedic medicine for almost 4,000 years. It's packed with curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound best for treating pain, specifically pain associated with inflammation. While the turmeric spice only contains about 3%, meaning you're better off taking curcumin supplements for relief. You can either take curcumin supplements or use 1/2 to 1.5 teaspoons daily in meals or tea. Stick with it for 4 to 8 weeks, and you'll likely notice less joint stiffness and more comfort. In one study, people with arthritis pain noted that their pain levels were more reduced after taking 500 milligrams of diclofenac sodium, an anti-inflammatory drug. Home Remedy 2. Chili peppers for pain and soreness. Chili peppers are hot and healing. They contain capsaicin, which reduces pain signals sent to your brain. Apply capsaicin cream topically for sore muscles or nerve pain, and feel the heat melt your tension away. Home Remedy 3. Lavender for migraine and anxiety. Feeling anxious? Try lavender. Drink it as a tea, keep a satchel nearby, or diffuse essential oil. Drinking lavender tea or keeping a satchel nearby during stressful times helps reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation. It's been shown to reduce stress levels and even ease migraines. But remember, for chronic anxiety or migraines, always consult a doctor before skipping your usual treatment. Home Remedy 4. Mint for muscle pain and digestion. Mint isn't just refreshing, it's medicinal. Menthol in mint gives a cooling effect that eases muscle aches. And when you drink peppermint tea, it helps relieve indigestion and bloating. Home Remedy 5. Honey plus ginger for cold and cough. A classic combo. Ginger boosts immunity and clears up congestion. Honey soothes sore throats and fights bacteria. Mix them in warm water for a quick, powerful immune boost. So let's quickly recap the 5 home remedies we learned to do at home so you can write them down. 1. Turmeric for pain and inflammation. 2. Chili peppers for pain and soreness. 3. Lavender for migraine and anxiety. 4. Mint for muscle pain and digestion. 5. Honey plus ginger for cold and cough. And so there it is, all natural. These natural remedies are highly effective in reducing pain and stress. Natural remedies can do wonders, but balance is key. If your symptoms persist, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Let me know in the comments, which of these have you tried? Alternatively, you can comment 7 to ensure you are prioritized when I release a new video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, remember to like this video, and share it with someone who requires internal healing.